Hey guys, it is Babe God, and today we're back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Dread Phoenix. Finally, we get the Dead Phoenix now. As you can see, it comes with the Phoenix layer, the zero disc, and atomic driver. If you have the first Phoenix, you can actually put the Dead armor on it to make it perfect with the first performance step. Let's get this unboxing video started. And if you guys want to check out my Bloody Luna unboxing, you can check the video on my other unboxing videos. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about it in the comments. I'll unbox that Phoenix here. It looks super rad. You have a lot of tape on these to make sure it's secure, and I like that. Finally, the release of Dead Phoenix now. Wow, it's a defense type, and you'll see how special this defense type really is once I get to opening this. Do it from the back. Once again, like I said in my previous videos, please don't use knives. Ask an adult to help you with the unboxing if you need help. Okay, there we go. We have it open now. These are the stickers. And then we have Dead Phoenix here. We're gonna save the box. Makes it look kind of decent. You get the Dead Phoenix here, and I must say, it looks pretty sick. Once again, please do not use knives. Ask your parents. I don't want you kids who watch my videos using knives to get hurting yourselves. Please ask an adult when using a knife, any sharp object for that matter. So as you can see, you have the Phoenix layer, which looks amazing. And this is the armor here. It comes off mid-battle if you get hit hard enough. And the only way to burst it is after you take the armor off. So unless you take the armor off, it will not burst. This is a zero disc, which is the heaviest disc for turbo. And then we have the black atomic driver with the red ring around it, which looks pretty sick. And atomic driver are known to go pretty crazy around the stadium. We have the stickers here, but I am not very good at putting on stickers, so I'm gonna save it for another video where you see me battle some other bears. It is a right spinning beam, and it has awesome teeth. If you guys haven't seen my Bloody Luna unboxing video, you really should check that out. And maybe drop a like and subscribe. This is very cool looking. Hold on. So I tried testing in our turbo stadium. Saw a launcher. 3, 2, 1, got it. Doing pretty crazy, and then it goes into defense mode, which is pretty awesome since the atomic driver goes 360 degrees, so you never know which way it's gonna go. It looks really sick in the stadium, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the unboxing. I have one more unboxing video, and then that'll be it for a while. But please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, share with your friends, and then what you think about it in the comments below. And I hope you have a good day, and peace out.